Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now.
67. When Mr. Andrews left university, he got a good job in a big oil company, but after he had been there for a few years, he decided that he would like a change. He also wanted to get a more important position, so that he could get more money, and perhaps also do more interesting work, so he put an advertisement in several newspapers, saying what experience he had had, describing the kind of job he had at that time and the kind he would like to have. One of the answers he received was from another man who was looking for a job too. This man wrote to him, "Dear sir, when you get a new job, please be kind enough to give my name and address to your present employer, as I have been trying to find a position like yours for a long time." Find out the best title for the story. If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.